What is discrete mathematics? So discrete mathematics is the study of discrete objects. That's a pretty simple answer to the question, though it doesn't illuminate too much information. So the question is that what are discrete objects? So an object is discrete if it is not continuous. Again, it's like an answer that is vague enough. Do we have a slightly bit more understanding of what a discrete object is? Yes, a pretty good answer to this question is discrete mathematics is something that is countable. Something that is you can count, like the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. So let's see some examples of objects that are not discrete. One such example is the real line. Real line meaning all the numbers starting from minus infinity to plus infinity. The set of real numbers form a continuous spectrum, and hence it is not a discrete object. Similarly, a real plane, the plane of R2, is a continuous object. The number pi, that is the ratio of the circumference and diameter of any circle, is not a discrete object. Now, why is it so? The reason is that the number pi cannot be expressed concisely. There is no pattern to the digits of the number pi. In other words, the number pi is a transcendental number. So it is not a discrete object. Another example of a not discrete object is a continuous function. For example, a function of the form y equals to x cubed. These are not discrete objects. Now, what are the discrete objects? Things that we see around us. Objects like people, chairs, tables, balls, etc. They are discrete objects. The integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, they are discrete objects. They are countable. The rational numbers, numbers like 2 by 3, 11 by 49, 23 by 108, they are also countable objects. They can be written up like a fraction of two integers. So they are also discrete objects. Any finite set is a discrete object. Functions from the set 1 to n to 0, 1 is a discrete object. Even the function of the form y equals to x cubed, where both x and y are from the natural numbers, are discrete objects. So this gives us some understanding of what discrete objects are. And now to go back to the question of what is discrete mathematics, again, discrete mathematics is the branch of mathematics where we study discrete objects. So till your class 12, you have done a number of subjects in math, out of which subjects like study of integers and natural numbers, arithmetic progression, geometric progression, etc., permutation and combination, all this comprises of subjects related to discrete mathematics. Now, let us go to the next most important question. Why to study discrete mathematics as a separate subject? The reason being that discrete objects have some common characteristics, and hence a set of common tools that are useful for handling these objects has been developed. So in this subject we study this set of tools. So in this subject of discrete mathematics, we study this general set of tools. These general set of tools are very handy. But depending upon some more properties of the discrete objects, the tools can be revised, can be made better. And this gives rise to a number of different subjects which are much more focused. For example, combinatorics, finite set theory, finite group theory, discrete probability, graph theory, Ramsey theory, and the list goes on. These are all subjects that are special cases of the discrete mathematics as a subject. Thus, in other words, in discrete mathematics, we take a high-level view of all of these subjects and more. The third question is, how is discrete math relevant to the world of mathematics as a whole and in particular to us? I hope I will be able to explain this question better by the end of the course. But for now, believe me that discrete mathematics is a very foundational course for mathematics and computer science. And many of the problems that you face in your life or you see in mathematics are about discrete objects. And hence, discrete mathematics is a big part of mathematics as well as your life.